the newest top VPNs out there. We're going to pretty much take a look and show you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. The home screen of the application, as you can see here, nothing for you to not understand. So you get a subscription. You cannot pretty much need a subscription to use this VPN here, but it's a very, very good VPN. You do not need to log in or anything. So once you have opened the application, you're going to stop and create, and it will just give you some pings to enter as your login information. And that's really pretty much it. So yeah, once you're on the home screen here, you may need a subscription to connect, but as I said, it is very fast, very stable, and will connect in seconds. It's extremely fast, but you don't get to select any server or anything like that. So if you want to test it out, guys, you can always get the 7 days free trial. If you like it, you can subscribe for a month. But yeah, very, very good application, and I would recommend to any one of you guys to try it out. Go ahead and go and download it on Play Store and give it a try. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If I missed anything at all, comment below. God of the guys. See you in the next one.